Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is February the 9th. Whoa, 2025. Just got done with my 29-minute walk. And I gotta talk. So, some of you from mobile headquarters. So, healing broken relationships. That is not something I've been an expert in most of my life. Let me explain the relationship that I had with my dad that I wish I could go back in time and change. This could be a tearjerker. So, in high school, I grew up in a great family. I mean, every family has their quirks a little bit. My family didn't have any more quirks or less quirks than all my friends in the neighborhood. But in high school, senior year, let's just say I did not adhere to the values that I was raised on. Wink, wink. What do you mean, Crypto Mentor 99? I thought I could do my own thing. I thought I could act the way I wanted to act in ways that I knew weren't not appropriate or that didn't line up with the values that I had as a Christian. I'll just call myself out. So senior year was pretty bad. Again, my mom and dad, I wasn't like in jail or anything, but my mom and dad did not, let's just say, have the tools to approach me and go, Crypto Mentor 99, calm down, remain calm and carry on. That was not in their wheelhouse. So I ended up, I don't know if I ever told you this story, but I actually ran away legally by joining the Marines. What do I mean by that? I actually joined the Marines. I did not tell my parents that I joined. How sad is this, right? This is so sad. So I joined the Marines because I was over 18. Didn't tell my mom and dad. Continued to get in trouble after I graduated. And I actually came home one night at about midnight, woke my parents up and told them I was leaving the next day at 5 a.m. because I joined the Marines. They were hurt, they were upset, they were angry, and actually, truth be told, I overslept that morning. The next morning, I guess the recruiter's knocking at the door, taking me to the airport. I didn't hear it. My dad barges in the door and said some not nice words to me, like, get your out of the house. So I just woke up, no breakfast, didn't brush my teeth. I'm in the recruiter's car, and the next thing I know, I'm in San Diego. So I ran away legally, hurt my mom and dad dearly. I was a punk. I was a punk before punk became popular. Came home on leave a few times, kind of made amends as a 19, 20, 21-year-old, kind of made amends. And again, this video is on broken relationships, okay, in case you forgot. And it really wasn't until my dad, literally when it was on his deathbed, like my sister called me and said, you know, Dad's not doing too good. Like, if you got something to say, you better come. It could be a day, 2, 3. Talked to Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99, drove to Chicago, and worked out my relationship with my dad on his deathbed. And he was basically in hospice at that point. We had a bed downstairs by the fireplace, and I just remember drawing close to him and telling him that I was sorry. And he said that he was sorry back. And I often wondered, like I am now, why did we wait so long to heal our broken relationship? Yes, we were cordial in my 30s and 40s and 50s, but like a heart to heart, I'm sorry, I was wrong. So he died the next day. So not quite the way I wanted it to end with my dad, but again, back to the point of the video. If you got a relationship that's not right, if you've got a friendship that isn't right, be the bigger person. Make the phone call, write the letter, send a text, get on WhatsApp. I guess there's a million ways to communicate nowadays. And just tell that person, you know, I could have said this a different way. I shouldn't have approached you that way. And take a risk and see what happens. You don't want to apologize to someone in hospice on their deathbed. Take it from this little guy. Not the best environment to do that in, but I'm glad that we did it. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99 at a loss for words. And that's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.